If you do take a look at your screen right now, you'll be able to see the before and after video footage after utilizing a very cool AI tool right there. And you can see how cool the video actually was. It went on to animating a very cool video I actually gave as input to that AI tool. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that and go on to animating your video content. So guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online with the help of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of some cool AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. And the AI tool we're going to be utilizing is called the Lensgo Ai. This is an amazing AI tool that you want to just simply go on to grabbing hold of right now, as you can just simply come onto this particular website, which is Lensgo Ai, and you'll be brought to a page such as this where you could just simply go into registering for an account. A register icon will be at the top right section of your screen, and you could just simply go into registering for an account right there. Once you do register for an account, you actually get about 80 tokens to actually go on to utilizing to generate content each and every single day. As you can see right here, you actually get registration bonus, which is valid for 18 days, which is 100 token right there. As you can see, I do have that right now. You can see the daily active bonus right here. It's actually exhausted. Now for you to go into creating or converting your video content into animation, you can actually then come onto this section that says animate video, and you can come right here. As you can see, these are videos that actually went on to animating. This was the video you actually saw earlier in the particular section right here that went on to animating that cool video right now, and you can see the content right here. So now guys, supposing you want to animate your video right here, you could just simply come right here, click on upload to go on to uploading the video from your device right now. As you can see, I'm just going to go on to scrolling through my device. Maybe I do go into the video section and I just simply select one video right now. Maybe I want to utilize this video. I'm just going to click on open right now, and the video uploading process will actually begin. You can actually select the dimensions of the video that you actually do want right now. You can see right here, these are actually dimensions, but I'm going to leave it as it is to actually fit into the video dimensions that we actually did go on to uploading. You can see right here guys that all this section is not available to us anymore, as the video has successfully been uploaded. You can actually go on to checking out the camera movements. All of them are not actually available to us, but the only thing you can go on to editing right now is just your model. So you can just simply come right here to change the model right here. As you can see, this is the real-time model, this is the anime model. You can actually see some other models like fantasy screen. You can see the ink painting, you can see the game house, the pixel style, vintage comic, and a lot more other kinds of models. But what I'm going to utilize right here today, and the one I do prefer the most, is the pixel style. So if you do select pixel style, as you can see right now, all you need to do right now, as you can see, you just need to go on to typing in a very cool content or a very cool prompt right now. Since it's actually a portrait video of a lady talking right now, you can actually just simply go to type in something like portrait video of a lady talking. So once you do type in something like this, all you need to do is to see that this actually requires 40 tokens to go on to doing this. You can then just simply click on start, and your prompt will actually be sent right here. It's going to take quite some time right now for this to actually go on to generating your video content, and you'll be able to see how cool the video that will be generated will actually go on to looking like. This is quite amazing right here. So guys, you could just simply go to checking out as many other models that are available on this platform to go on to utilizing that right there and generate some cool animated content right now with this particular stuff. You can also go to checking out the reference video. As you can see, this is actually the reference video right here that I use for generating this particular video. If you do go on to playing the reference video, you can actually see how cool the reference video actually goes on to looking like. It's just a simple fight scene from a movie right now. You can see right here, this is the reference video. If I do play that again, you'll see that this is just a simple fight scene. And guys, from that video, it actually went on to generating this content right here for me right now. That's absolutely amazing right here. So all you need to do right now is to be patient until this particular animation has actually been generated, and you could utilize that right there. Supposing in some cases where you do see that the video is not actually quite making much sense right there, maybe there are some stuff like maybe a double nose, or you're seeing the hand motion is not actually quite okay as it should be, you just need to go on to changing the model style. You can actually come right here, change the model style to something like vintage comic or something else right there for it to generate a different kind of model style for you, and that will actually be amazing right there. So some model style actually works for some kind of video quite better than some. That's why you just need to change that right there. And guys, you can see how amazing that will actually be. So I'm going to pause the video until this has actually been generated. So guys, my video has actually been generated. What I'm going to do right now is to just simply show you the reference video that was used earlier, so you can actually see how it looks. So basically that's how the reference video actually looks, and this is how the main video that was generated looks like. So you can actually see how easy it was to go on to converting a simple video into an animation right here. And guys, if the video did add some value right here, I do hope you hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bell is always turned on all. Also guys, if you do have any question, you can leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to give you a notable reply as soon as possible. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.